Okay, part two. So what you missed in the meantime was, well, let me show you, actually. I can show you. So this, we saw this, right, Hank's channel, and I've lost my cursor again, there it is. And if you scroll down here, when we scroll down here, right, this is what we want to see, this little gray thing. We want his channel to be Yuloff Creative. So I did, without you, sorry, I did click that, and it told me that it was going to delete his channel, which is fine. It's going to move everything. Supposedly, even the comments and the views, right, all of that should transfer over. So we shouldn't lose any of those stats, which is great. However, before we delete the channel, I wanted to make sure we had it backed up. So that took a little bit of time. And I didn't do a video to show you how to do that. Because I was watching somebody else's video to see how to do that. So I'll do screenshots and I'll include it in the blog. So if that's what you wanted to see. And the other reason why I didn't want to record that part is, you know, those kinds of things change all the time. Google and every platform is always changing that sort of thing. So I don't like showing how to do the archiving piece because it does seem to change. Now the video I found is a few years old and that still works. So I feel pretty confident doing screenshots and doing that kind of thing as opposed to a video segment to show you that, because I'm not going to archive it again. It took quite a while. It took, I think, over an hour to do that. So there's a bit of lag between the first video that I shot today and now actually coming back here to finish this project. So there you go. All right. So what we do now, is just to be really clear. So this is what it currently is, right? And this is his branded URL, which is the old brand. And we want it to be Yuloff Creative. So when I click on this, I get this message. See, it's already connected to another YouTube channel. If you move your channel to the brand account, the currently connected channel will be deleted. So there we go. So I'm going to delete the channel. And move the channel, my channel, after move. Move the channel. So are you sure you want to move and update your channel? So from Hank Yuloff to Yuloff Creative, that's correct. Your channel name icon will be updated across YouTube. Your channel URL, oh, the URL won't change. See, that's the whole point, though, is to change it. Oh, but then this says that the URL won't transfer. So this is pretty funny. So first it says that the URL will not change, and then it says the URL will change. And the comments won't be moved. So I don't know that we care that much. I'm going to go check with Hank. I'll be right. Yes, we don't care that the comments don't move. So there you go. So I'm going to move. Where's my cursor? Move channel. And then we may have to do something with the URL, which was actually the whole point, was the URL. See the pretty view reflected in the glass behind me, the window behind me? I was facing the other direction, but anyway, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so no video. It may take 10 minutes for updates to your account to be completed. Oh, thank goodness, because that was a little frightening. Okay, so I'm just going to click OK. Our custom URL system, you have a channel, Yuloff Creative. YouTube. Add a video. No, I don't think we want to do that. Okay. Well, now that's interesting. Huh. Okay. So we're going to need to wait till it all propagates, it looks like. This is fascinating. All right, where's my cursor again? I keep losing my cursor. There it is. So if we go here, and I want to view channel. Okay, no subscribers, all of that. My channel, this is what I want, my channel. That's the other video I did, just so you know. Didn't look like it did. Customize channel, all of that. My channel. Okay. We're going to have to wait for it to propagate. Looks like I'm going to need to do yet another video once it propagates to show you, or maybe I can just do a screenshot and show you that it actually worked. So we'll have to wait and finish this later. That's it for now. Bye for now. And there you go. Channel art moved, 147 subscribers. Now I need to work on the URL. So I'm going to go figure that out and I will come back. Okay, so check this out. So you go here and click on settings. And and then advanced settings. It's thinking. And then see, it says you're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. So click here. I don't want that. No, it won't delete. Oi. Delete. Backspace. I don't want to add characters. Oh. Okay, so it wouldn't let me change it. So it says that we need to, and I did this once before, but we're going to do it again. So we're going to sign into YouTube, go to the About Me, select the channel, click the edit, blah, blah, and then claim a new one afterwards. So might take a couple days before the previous stops directly. So that we saw that before, but it didn't actually happen. So we're going to try it again. So we're going to go here. And we're going to go back to our channel. Make sure I got this right. Sign into YouTube and go to your About Me. So we're signed into YouTube. Where is my About Me? I don't see About Me. Very strange. Nope. Don't see About Me. YouTube and go to your About Me page. Let's see if it tells me. Where's the About Me page? Oh, here. Oh. Okay, so the About Me page. Select the account with your YouTube channel in the top right. Oh, wait, About Me. Boy, this switching thing is difficult. Thank you. Okay. Here. Wait, What? The account with your YouTube channel in the top right. This one? No, I don't actually know. I may be the wrong one, but find the current custom URL under Sites and click Edit. Here it is, Sites, Edit. So we're going to delete this. Are you sure? I already did this before, but anyway. If you proceed, the will no longer direct. Yes, that's what we said. And then we said, okay, it's weird that I did this last night and it didn't work. Okay. And then what? If you're eligible, you can claim your new URL right away after removal. Okay, so we go here. Let's go back to settings. And we have to scroll down to advanced settings and go back to the custom URL. Nope, still there. Okay. Well, this is where we got stuck yesterday, so we will give it overnight to propagate and try again. But now you see where we go, and I'll do a screenshot if we're successful. And if not, then we'll do another video to show you where we got to. Okay, that's it. If you need help, find us at yuloffcreative.com. Bye for now.